Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. This space is all about real talk, self awareness, and building healthier relationships with others and with yourself. Whether you're here to learn, grow, or just feel a little less alone, you're in the right place. Do you ever feel like stuck, like something inside is holding you back from moving forward? Those invisible walls are often emotional blocks and they can keep us from living in alignment with our true selves. In this video, I'll share how you can release these blocks using spiritual practices that bring clarity, peace, and flow back into your life. So let's dive in. So, what are emotional blocks? Think of them as knots in the energy field created by past experiences, limiting beliefs, and suppressed emotions. These knots keep us from feeling light and free. Emotional blocks are unresolved feelings, pain, fear, guilt that we have buried deep inside. They affect our energy, our relationships, and even our health. The good news is spiritual practices can help you gently release these blocks and restore balance. One of the most common cause of emotional blocks is unresolved trauma. Abuse, neglect, or major loss are examples of traumatic events that can cause long lasting emotional damage. Individuals may find themselves unable to process these experiences, leading to emotional suppression. Fear and anxiety are significant contributors to emotional blocks. The fear of failure, rejection, or the unknown can lead individuals to avoid situations that evoke strong emotions. Chronic stress can overwhelm an individual's ability to process emotions. High level of workplace stress, relationships, or financial pressures can lead to emotional exhaustion. This overwhelm can manifest as emotional blocks, where individuals feel too drained to engage with their feelings or the feelings of others. Here are some powerful practices you can start today. Self reflection is a vital first step in understanding emotional blocks. Techniques such as journaling, mindfulness, or meditation can help individuals become more aware of their emotions and triggers. By taking time to explore their feelings, individuals can begin to identify patterns and root causes of their emotional blocks. Breathwork. Deep conscious breathing helps release tension and stuck energy. Try inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4, and exhaling for 6. You can also do meditation and visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a bright light flowing through your body, gently dissolving emotional knots. You can also repeat this affirmation loud. I allow myself to feel and release what no longer serves me. This creates permission for healing. Or you can use incense, sound bowls, or smudging to cleanse your space and aura. It's like hitting the reset button for your energy. Before we end, let's do a short release meditation together. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out. Now bring back to mind one emotion or thought that feels heavy. Don't judge it, just notice it. Imagine a warm light entering your body with every inhale, melting away that heaviness. With every exhale, feeling leaving your body, repeat silently, I am safe to release what no longer serves me. Take one more deep breath in and out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of lightness with you today. Remember, feeling stuck is not a sign of failure. It is an invitation to pause, reflect, and realign. Emotional blocks are simply signals that something within you is asking for attention and healing. By approaching them with compassion and spiritual practices, whether through meditation, journaling, or energy work, you create space for clarity and flow. Trust that every step you take toward releasing these blocks bring you closer to the authentic self and a life of freedom and peace. You have got this and your soul knows the way. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who might need this reminder today. And let me know in the comments what's one spiritual practice you will try to release emotional blocks. Thank you.